There's a kaibab squirrel. That's cool. Okay, now heading to it's the favorite, my all-time favorite lookout at the Grand Canyon, Shoshone Point. It's just this finger that sticks out into the canyon. It's just awesome, and there's usually no one here. I can't remember. That rock formation has a name, but I can't remember. But look at this. Woohoo! Man. Unbelievable. There you have it. The Grand Canyon. From Shoshone Point. Awesome. Heading down that way tomorrow. Horseshoe Mesa. Okay, we are in Grand Canyon, South Rim. Yeah, we're just starting to hike. We're heading to Horseshoe Mesa and Hance Creek today. I've got 6 friends with me.
And 2 enemies.
And it's a beautiful, beautiful day. There's the sun coming up right now. And looking forward to a couple days about halfway down the canyon on the Grandview trail. Man, this thing's steep. Holy crap. Okay, there's a good example of how the trail is built using the logs crisscross to support it. I don't know what kind of wood that is. Pinyon, maybe? I don't know. And then this is an example of the riprap that goes all the way down this trail. So basically the vertical stone. This trail was built from 1892 to 1893, originally to haul copper from the Last Chance mine on Horseshoe Mesa. And it's been in use ever since. Obviously more for tourists since the 40s. Wow, what great views. Should be approaching Coconino Saddle soon. And we're making our way down there. I love the morning light. Okay, we're at Coconino Saddle, and straight ahead is Horseshoe Mesa. Right there, that flat area, that's a destination for tomorrow. I can see the mess hall right there, right there. And we're going to continue down to Hance Creek today. Couldn't be a nicer day. It's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, descending down toward Hance Creek. This part's going to be very, very steep. first mine. Oh, there's stairs going up. Cool. I'm not gonna hang out in the mines. I don't think that's too wise. This is the spur trail to Page Springs. Goes just around the corner there, and it's at the base of that wall. So we're a good ways down this steep section and heading to Hance Creek right now. Okay, we're getting near. This is a tough hike. Whew. Okay, we are at Hance Creek, and this is all there is of it. It's a very minimal flow, but at least it's fresh water. So we're camping here tonight. This is the tarp shelter for tonight. We're still down by Hance Creek. It looks like a nice clear evening, not expecting any rain. Hopefully very little wind, so this shelter should be perfect. This is tonight's dinner. We're keeping it really simple. I've got freeze-dried black beans and sweet corn here, and some minute rice, brown rice. I've got like 1/3 of a packet of taco seasoning, some cheddar cheese, which I hope is okay because it was really hot today and it's not melty. And then the whole thing gets topped off with some crunched up Fritos. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Should be good. And this is what it looks like. So this is the corn, beans, and actually there's some freeze-dried onion in there too. And the taco seasoning and the melted cheddar kind of creates a great sauce. And then what you do is you take Fritos and you make a nice little topping for it. Bam!
Yeah, it's both good. Kind of pungent.
It's got a little sharper.
Is there any? Are there any scorpions on my back now?
Wait a second.
Well,
I think I saw that. George would have called
good thing you did see it. Huh?
No.
All right, so we just finished dinner. We're having cigars and drinks and winding down the day. And I just wanted to show what kind of sounds we're dealing with down here. George, this is canyon tree frogs and
The red-spotted toads are just
red-spotted
starting up.
toads.
I hear them every once in a while, but they're not going full speed yet.
Okay, cool. Okay, this is Page Spring, also known as Miner Spring, and our source of water for the rest of the way. Basically, you have this little pool of water. It's more than enough for what we need. And then it has a bit of a seep down here. You can see it dripping. And out here, shade and a little bit of water is gold. And up there is Horseshoe Mesa. That's where we're heading next. There's still a lot of artifacts from when they mined down here. I don't know if this is a pump or a grinder or something. And then there's a mine over here. It's closed, it's got gated off right back there. Wouldn't want to go in there anyway. Yeah! And right in the center is where you see a great example of the trail work that's been done here that you don't see when you're on the way down. A lot of frickin' work went into that. And here comes George up the trail. Steepest trail I think I've ever been on. This is what's left of the dining hall for the Last Chance Mine. The remnants. Pretty cool. There's a fireplace right there. Okay, it's my setup for Horseshoe Mesa. Just a simple, like, lean-to tarp. Just for sun protection and clear view of the sky tonight. And we're gonna head out toward the point. Okay, we just set up camp and now we're doing a short hike to kind of the western edge of Horseshoe Mesa. And hopefully there'll be some nice sunset images from here. We got some kind of striated clouds that might pick up some color tonight. But a nice hike, a nice level hike after a day of climbing. Look at this place. Woo! Whew. Whoa, what a view. George, would you mind describing where we're at right now, please?
All right, we're at the tip of a secret spot called Sunset Point. It's on the northwestern tip of Horseshoe Mesa. It's really remarkable because behind my back is 2,500 feet of vertical rock, the south rim of the Grand Canyon. And in front of me is 3,500 vertical feet of the north rim. Now you can see the river upriver, and it turns to the north, and over there you can see the Palisades of the desert and the desert facade. And Kevin, you can also see the Desert View watchtower over there. See that thing? Right
Oh,
there?
yeah.
Oh, you can see it. Yeah, there it is.
On the rim.
Oh yeah, okay.
So you're seeing all the
That's
way
right.
up the river before it bends around. That red rock
Right there.
is a different geological formation. That's called the Grand Canyon Supergroup. It's like 1.2 billion years old, so the grade unconformity works a little different there. And that's when you go down, you go down the New Hance Trail. It's called Red Canyon. There's, I think, Hance Rapids down there. You see that?
Yep.
The rapids?
Yep.
Okay, so we're on the top of the red wall, so we're able to see the Tonto platform down there. I don't know if it's 800 feet, but that's a very, very unusual view to be hovering over the Tonto platform, seeing upstream, downriver into the mystery. And then we have these incredible formations. We have Vishnu Temple right there. We got Votan's Throne. Then that's called Angel's Gate. Okay. And then Zoroaster Temple, I think, is over there. I'm not sure which one that is from here, though.
Good morning from Horseshoe Mesa. And wow, what a nice sunrise. Get ready to hike out. All right, well, I'm about a third of the way up the Grandview trail. And I have to say, it could not be a nicer morning for hiking. Shady, a nice breeze. There's the mesa right there that I came from, and it comes along the side of the hill there, traverse, and then it goes to the top of that point. That's Grandview Point right up there. So I don't know, a couple hours maybe from here. A lot of climbing. Let's do it. Lads, what's going on? Great. Beautiful morning for a hike.
We were talking about how far it is out there to Sunset Point.
Sunset Point.
Yeah, that's way more. That's more than a mile.
Oh yeah, it's a mile to the edge of that high mesa.
Oh, really?
That's where the trail map ends. So
Huh.
that's at least another mile plus.
All right.
GoPro going?
I'll see you up there.
See at the top.
Oh man, some great views from up here. This is one steep trail though. Wow. Oh man, look at the views.